Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a reflection on new media and technology. So basically we're going to talk about number one, the difference of IT and ICT. Number two, the 21st century learners, okay, and how it is connected to learning today. So first off, IT. So IT is something that is we all are familiar with. Okay, it's something that is associated in the field of technology. It means information technology, whereas ICT refers to creating a unified technology in communication. So IT is used mostly in all industries today. Okay, there's always an IT guy that we call out if there's something wrong with the Wi-Fi or the computer at work. Alright, so that is IT. ICT, however, it's applied to academic and education. Alright, we use ICT in learning, teaching, in colleges, schools, and universities. So, how is that connected to 21st century learners? Alright, so I know that Singapore has instilled a 21CC, which is 21st century competency, in their curriculum. So basically, what 21CC is to develop critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, media literacy, technology, flexibility in their curriculum. So it makes students a more more student-centered with the use and aid of technology in teaching and learning. Alright, so there are four aspects that our minister has talked about, okay, which is to cultivate student character, promote equality in education, make teaching and learning fun, and also to reduce teacher burden and workload. So this is the 21st century pedagogy that that our education minister would want to implement in our curriculum. Alright, so that is the 21st century, and how is it associated with the Industrial Revolution? Well, in many ways. Okay, we know that the Industrial Revolution first started off with steam engine, moved on to electricity, and then we were introduced to computers, but now it's more on AI, right? Artificial intelligence, and we need to be on par with what the world thinks. Okay, if not, as educators, it's difficult not to know all this, because we want to create a student that is more globally inclined and also technologically inclined. So new media and technology has been on the rise and is something that is widely discussed among all educators, because it allows us as educators to teach our students with the use of technology. When I say use of technology, not just PowerPoint presentation, but actually creating something using ICT in the ICT classes. Okay, and the usage of iPads, the usage of apps, such as Kahoot, which makes learning fun, and also creating or coding to enable game design, which is something that is also on the rise. So to conclude, new media and new media and technology is something that is very interesting to talk about among not just educators, among anyone, because it is the future, right? AI is the future, and education 4.0, I believe, would be one of the important revolution that we are blessed to be a part of today. So stay tuned for the next video on how new media and technology is implemented in the classroom. I will only talk about this one or two apps that has helped me engage my students in this 21st century. Alright, stay tuned. Bye.